One of my favorite salads is the beans and eggs salad. I love it so much, and I'm going to be teaching you the simple ways of making this yummy goodness. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. For the salad, you need cabbage, some carrots, baked beans, boiled eggs, mayonnaise, lemon, and salt or sugar for your dressing. So we're going to cut cabbage into halves, remove the unwanted back sides, and we're going to be washing this properly with salt. You could also use white vinegar if you have. Then we start cutting our cabbage into tiny pieces. We'll make sure as tiny as possible to cut them out. So when you're done with cutting it, we put it in the plate and set it aside while we start grating our carrots. I love grating my carrots. Okay, we're going to grate it and also put in the plate and set it aside while we remove the shells in our eggs. Then also set it aside to be used later for making our salad. Mixing the salad, let's get our dressing ready. In a plate, add some mayonnaise to your bowl, then squeeze in a little bit of lemon into it, then add half tablespoon of sugar and pinch of salt. Then mix in properly till it's like this. Then we'll set aside to be used later in the salad. Now let's mix in our salad. First of all, add your cabbage, then your carrots, and then your baked beans. You do this all over again. The carrots, the cabbage first, the carrots, then your beans. You continue doing this till you finish all your vegetables and beans. Then we now slice in our eggs into the salad. Then also add in our dressing to the salad and mix it very well. Okay, we're mixing. We don't mix our salad until we are ready to serve it, or when we mix it like that, we put it inside the freezer or fridge, to get chilled. Salads are better served chilled. And then you have your beans and egg salads ready to be enjoyed. I love eating mine with jollof rice or fried rice, and it's really yummy and amazing. If you are on keto diet, this salad is also perfect for you. Thank you so much, guys, for always engaging on my videos. I really appreciate this. Check also the description for other recipes you can try out. Thank you so much. Please do check out for other recipes on my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.